What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video, and in this video I'm going to break down these two cases by UAG, the Monarch. Now there is a difference between this Monarch and the Monarch Pro, so you make sure you keep that in mind, that the regular Monarchs do not have any MagSafe tech on board. These are just your regular standard heavy duty cases. Now the one I have here is the Crimson and the Kevlar. Now the Kevlar, as its name, has the Kevlar material on it. It has this nice military green to it, whereas the regular Crimson does have a leather top, leather grain built into the actual look and feel of the case. So both of these cases are 20 feet drop tested, so be aware of that. Also, again, they do retail. It varies in price based on the color. This being a newer color, this does retail for $79.95. This being a one of their standard colors they have for a long time, you can pick this up at a nice discount of $59.95. I will leave the links down below. So real quick, let's test these two cases out and I'll let you know how I feel about them, and let's take a good look at them. Now again, UAG, classic UAG packaging, makes it very easy to open. Now the Crimson with the leather looks real clean and nice. I like the way that shiny color does have like a metallic feel and look to it. You do got the plastic industrial looking screws, has high camera protection, so you don't have any problems with it. It does have the corners for on the corner protection. The volume rockers and power button are on point, and you know, they're a little tactile. You may have to break these in, but they do line up pretty nicely with the volume rocker. Front lip protection is on point, so there's no problem with that. And all the cutouts, like I said, on the bottom is on point with the lanyard connections. This, like I said, this case does retail for $59.95. I will leave the links for this down below if you're interested in it. It does have a nicely textured side for grip, so that's a plus. A lot of cases that have that smooth side tend to be a slip hazard. Next up is the Monarch Kevlar. Go ahead and try that on. So this one has a Kevlar with the industrial TPU framing on it. Does have nice camera protection. No type of special padding on the inside of both of these cases. It does have corner protection, padding inside. So let's check out the volume rocker. Is pretty nice, and volume rocker lines up pretty nicely to the phone. Nice ample cutout for the action button, so no problem with that. And all the cutouts on the bottom is on point. Shouldn't have any problems with charging. And it does have lanyard cutouts if you're into having a lanyard look to your connect to your phone. Again, nice clean look. This particular one, being that it's one of the newer color ones, does retail for $74 or $75.95. I will have the links down below, but there is a price difference, like I said, based on the actual color. So that pretty much does it for this UAG video of the Monarch. If you're interested in this case, leave your questions down below. By all means, use my link because it does help out the channel. And again, thanks for supporting the channel, and I catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.